Anaconda using for extension programming language Python and R program. Support in large scale data processing for data science and machine learning. How to download install Anaconda tools: Jupyter Notebook, Spyder IDE. Browser open. Google search box lo Anaconda download enter key press. Official link first section lo display anaconda.com download Anaconda distribution first link click. Anaconda official web interface completely display. Distribution free download right side. Provide email to download distribution. First option submit unnecessary. Second option skip registrations. Second option click. Download now page lo mouse scroll down. Anaconda installers supporting OS Windows, Mac, Linux users కూడా డౌన్లోడ్ చేసి రిలేటెడ్ కోడింగ్ అనేది ఎంటర్ చేయొచ్చు. ప్రజెంట్ విండోస్ ఇన్స్టాలేషన్. ప్రజెంట్ విండోస్ గ్రీన్ కలర్ బటన్ డౌన్లోడ్ క్లిక్. థ్యాంక్ యూ ఫర్ డౌన్లోడింగ్. డౌన్లోడ్స్ సెక్షన్లో అనకొండ లేటెస్ట్ వర్షన్ 3.24.06 Windows X 86 and 64 exe setup file downloading process start. File size 912 MB. Wait and hear after downloading process completed. Exe setup file downloading process completed. Next step installation setup process. Browser minimize. File Explorer document open. Left side third option downloads folder lo Anaconda exe setup file display. Mouse right click. First option open click. Open file security warning window lo first option run click. Please wait while setup in loading. Downloads folder minimize. Anaconda latest version 3.2024.06 64-bit architecture setup window lo welcome to Anaconda setup. First one next click. License agreement Anaconda terms of service complete information అనేది middle section లో display అవుతుంది. Agree click. Select installation type. Install for two options display. First one just me recommended. Second one all user requires admin privileges. Second option left side circular tick mark set. Mouse left click. Second button next click. Anaconda 3 installer window lo first option yes click. Choose install location. Destination folder C program Anaconda folder. Anaconda 3 display the path and location. Anaconda application related executable file and DLL file setup files. Loading space minimum space require 5.0 GB. Next click. Second button advanced installation options. Second button install click. Please wait while Anaconda is being installed. Setting up the packages cache. Files installing process start. Wait and hear few minutes. Setting installation directory permissions. Wait and hear minimum 10 minutes. After installation complete. Setup was completed successfully. Next click. Completing Anaconda setup. Thank you for installing Anaconda distribution. Two options display. First one launch Anaconda Navigator. Default left side tick mark set. Second one getting started with Anaconda distribution. Second option default tick mark set. Finish click. Auto display web page. Anaconda application information and packages. Complete info display. Welcome to Anaconda. Here are some useful resources to help you get started. Complete info close. System restart must. Windows search box. Enter Anaconda Navigator. Anaconda Navigator first option click. Anaconda application loading process and installing process start. Adding features channels. Anaconda Navigator complete user interface white color theme లో display. Middle section లో update application pop-up window display. Second option, no, remind me later. Click. Interface maximize. Anaconda Navigator supporting applications and tools packages middle section లో displays. Jupyter notebook bottom side launch button display. Launch click. Auto display web page address bar లో local host 8888/3 display. Right side top లో new click. First option notebook click. Select kernel. Select kernel for untitled probe Python 3 displays. Second button select click. Display here name Python 3 py kernel. Write here Python projects and machine learning related coding. Enter. First Python simple code. Print open bracket double quoted chari tech info double quoted close bracket. Top section లో run this cell and advance button click. Output chari tech info Anaconda assistant window right side display close. Next print again run button click chari tech info Warangal. Next Anaconda Navigator interface open. Spyder IDE scientific Python developers open or launch. Bottom side launch button click. Spyder IDE installing process start. Latest version 5.5.1. Welcome to Spyder. First button start tour click. Welcome to the instruction tour. Window close. Left side section లో Python related default file అనేది డిస్ప్లే చేది. temp extension .py and Spyder editor. This is a temporary script file. First file menu click. First option new file click. Mouse click. Print suggestional intelligence tile sheet display. Second one print open bracket double quoted chari tech info Warangal. Save this file. File menu re-click save as click. Save file window లో left side desktop option click. Mouse right click new option select. Sub panel లో first one folder click. Rename enter. Python files enter key press. First button open click file name enter. Chari tech related extension .py. First button save click. Top section లో chari tech.py file name display. Run file green color button click. Run setting chari tech.py bottom side first button run click. Console window లో chari tech info Warangal display.